I know that you've probably had a time where your views are super low out of absolutely nowhere and you're like, what am I doing wrong? Am I shadow banned? I know there's a lot of controversy over shadow banning. Is it real? Does it exist? Okay. Whether it exists or not, this is what you need to do. And I wrote 2 things, but I'm realizing there's actually 4. Oops. Number 1, you need to see if your content is actually getting pushed out into the public, right? Because if you were shadow banned, it wouldn't. Check and see on your videos that you're getting low views for. In the stats, you can see if they're getting views from the FYP. If they are, you're not shadow banned. You're getting out there into the public. You can kind of do the same thing, but with hashtags. So look at the hashtags that you're using. And if you don't see your video anywhere in there, might be a problem, okay? Another thing that I've found in my research is that if you find that your videos, when you're posting them, show that they're under review or processing for a really long time, that also might show that for some reason your videos are having to go through this longer process to decide if TikTok wants to put them out into the public. Also kind of sketchy. And in that situation, you might be thinking, like, is my account in bad standing? Like, did I do something wrong? And you can actually find this out if you go to like the little hamburger menu up in your top right hand corner, go to settings and privacy, support, safety center, and then account status. There you'll actually be able to see if your account is in good standing. Like, they'll tell you. We're always so quick to blame things on the algorithm or, oh, I'm shadow banned. But honestly, guys, if you go through all of these steps and everything checks out and you're okay, this is a really great opportunity to rethink your content strategy. I work with my members in Social Suite, our membership program, literally every single day on content strategy, because figuring out what works is really difficult, and sometimes it takes having another perspective to really help you figure that out.